Hi, this is Laurie Sherrod with Clemson University. This presentation will demonstrate how to broadcast a Google Plus Hangout on YouTube. Currently, YouTube is not turned on as a part of Clemson Google Apps for Education, so in order to do an on-air Hangout, you must have a YouTube account that's tied to the Google account that you're using for your Google Plus. So the only way to do it right now is to have a public Google account, to go to google.com and log into that public Google account and then work from there. Participants who are just watching or even sharing their audio and video can come in with any kind of Google account. It can be a Clemson Google account or a public Google account. Actually, they'll go log into their Google account and click on their Google Plus, which will be on the far left-hand side of that black bar, and it'll have plus followed by their username. When they go there, they'll see an invite. They may even get a flashing invite on their screen if they're logged into Google. Viewers, people who just want to watch it from YouTube or watch it from a link provided by the instructor, do not have to have any kind of account. They don't have to be logged in to Google or to YouTube. Here I've gone to google.com and logged in with my public Google account, username and password. Then on the far left-hand side at the top, see where it says Plus Laurie. I clicked on that to get to my Google Plus. And then to start my Hangout on the far right, there's a Start a Hangout, and I'll click on that. Here's what it looks like when you click on that Start a Hangout. You'll see the names of some friends that you can add. You can name your Hangout and select whether you want it to be on air. In order to have a Hangout, you must have at least one participant. So in this case, I've added my Clemson student Google Apps for Education account, Laurie S. Sherrod. You need to name your Hangout. I named mine Testing Google Hangouts on Air 3. If you'd like to share it publicly on YouTube, you click on the little check mark beside Enable Google Hangouts on Air, and you'll get a little warning that it's going to be broadcast on your YouTube account. Click OK, got it, and then click Hangout, and that starts your Hangout. Click on the red Start Broadcast in the upper right-hand corner to get started. You'll get a warning that it's going to be public. Click OK. You'll get a yellow box at the top of the screen letting you know that you're being broadcast live. There's also an embed link in the upper right-hand corner, and if you click on that, it'll give you the URL if you want to share that information with others. If you'd like to test your broadcast, you can open a separate browser and go to youtube.com. You'll need to log in. In this case, you can click on the little gray arrow in the upper right-hand corner. If you're already logged in, if you click on that little gray arrow, you're going to see the choices on this screen. And if you click on My Channel, you'll see your own videos. From here, click on Feed. Now you should see Live Now beside your live feed. If you click on it, you can check on it. Here I've clicked on my feed and I can see it playing. I can grab the URL from the top line here and share it or post it if I want others to join from the live feed. Here we're back on the Hangout. When we're finished with the Hangout, we can click End Broadcast to stop the feed and stop the recording. Even after you've ended the broadcast, you'll still see the embed link in the upper right-hand corner. You can click on that and grab the URL if you'd like for people to watch the already recorded video on YouTube, or you can grab the HTML snippet if you'd like to embed it in a site. This concludes our demonstration of how to broadcast a live Google Plus Hangout. We will also produce another video on using Google Plus Hangouts.